If I could perform this trick shot here. Oh, that was slick. What's up, guys? Welcome back. What do we got? Look at that little drain valve, that little turd right there. We're going to replace it with an upgrade. Only if you have the SPE Motorsport Cat fuel filter system, though. Let's do it. Welcome back to the Powerstrokerick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. Alright, y'all. Welcome back to the Powerstrokerick YouTube channel. We got a quick little video for you today. SPE Motorsport, nothing too crazy. Little minuscule, big word, upgrade. So if you guys are rocking the Cat fuel filter system on your 17 and up Powerstroke, the clip I just showed you, there's like the little drain valve that they have that comes with it, like a little petcock version one. And I've personally never had a problem with it, but they're easy to snap off. Some people have had them leak, you know, here and there. So this is an upgrade, and I haven't had an issue with mine, so don't tap me with a good time, SPE. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we got, guys. Boom. New upgraded drain valve. Ball valve. Oof. How's it open? Ooh. Look at that. 1/8 inch MPT fitting. So we're obviously going in the Cat fuel filter system with this cat right here. We're gonna put this guy in the bottom. And this is cool because you could throw 3/8, oh my gosh, 3/8 hose on it. Pop this on, you know, run your hose down, you know, when you're draining your fuel filters, crack the ball valve, boom, you're dialed in. Like a sore dick, can't beat it. Hit that subscribe button. We're gonna put this together. We're gonna throw it on the truck real quick. We're gonna show you. Nice and easy. Look at that. Boom. Guys, this cat right here, 7/16, throw a 3/4 on the body. I know there's like diesel repellent, I don't know, that's not the right word, like the PTFE like stuff on the inside. Should I put some stuff on this fitting? I don't know. Maybe. We're gonna send it. We're gonna see if we need to or not, you know. So we're gonna take you underneath the truck side now and show you what we got. Live in the chat. We'll crack this little guy. Let some fuel drain out. Got a little bit on my fingers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Guys, you will have to prime the system again, you know, do your normal. I'm not changing the fuel filters right now because I just did these in August of 24. So 2 months ago. And if y'all know, my truck was down for a little while, so I didn't get any miles on it or smiles on it, you know. So I'm just gonna drain some of this out, and then we'll show you popping the new one in. Watch, it's gonna come all spraying out at me. I mean, hopefully not, but you never know. Right here, guys. T+2 pipe thread sealant. It's all brass and copper safe. Up to 350 degrees, or maybe more than that. I don't know. 2000 PSI. Put a little bit on there. Now, as I was, let's see if I can continue making a mess. What did I do with that wrench? You know, you son. Oh, it's right here. So you son of a biscuit. Splash cam. Trying not to be in the splash cam, but we might be. Oh lordy. Oh, not too bad. We can get down with that. We can get down with that. I want to thread this new one in. Yeah, probably. Ooh, she's gonna be leaking. She leaking down my hand. Oh no. I'm gonna let it keep draining. I don't want to shut that valve though, because I got tightener. Maybe I should grab a 3/4 inch wrench. We'll shut her for now. Subscribe for more, guys. More ways on how to get some diesel fuel on your dick beaters. On your dick beaters. Ooh, that's actually leaking too right there. Maybe? Can't tell. I should put some on that. Alright, y'all. 3/4 inch. Snug her up. She's a snuggly little kitten. This one's AN. I don't think I gotta put anything on that. Should be aight. Might be a bada bing, bada boom right here, baby. Nice little wipe down. Maybe hit it with some brake clean. You know what I'm saying? Do one of them. Alright, so there's your drain valve. Nice and fancy. Cycling the key a couple times. I don't know if you really have to. I don't really think I lost anything in the fuel filter, but we gonna start her up. Alright, y'all, get the black truck in the clip. That's it. That's the end of this video. Just a little squeeze, you know, whatever I'm trying to say. Put a valve up, you know what I'm saying? All good. So good upgrade to have. It's pretty cheap. It's like 25 bucks on the website. So as always, like a sore dick, can't beat it. Hit that subscribe button. Head over to SPE. Buy you some goodies. Peace.